morning. Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up a hanging mobile. Okay, as you can see, pressing this, it's not coming. It's very slow. It's going other windows like that. They're gonna take Clash of Clans. It's not popping up. It take a couple of minutes, I think. And okay, there it was. And it's not going home where it was. And I take the, it's not moving. See, it's not moving. So it's not moving. And I'm gonna show you how to fix this. First of all, you must open the back case if there is. Open the back cover if there is. And take away the battery. And put the battery on the chair. And shake the phone. Shake the phone. And place the battery again to the phone. Keep in mind, okay, and keep in mind to put away all the things like cover and case. Okay, there was. And now switch on your mobile. Wow. Now we're gonna show some magic tricks. Okay. Okay, it's popping up. It's more speed than usual. Come on. Yeah, it's coming. I don't explain those things. Okay, I skipped some time and now you can see it's very fast. See what a fast. So it's going like water. It's flowing well. Okay. See? Thank you for watching and have a nice day.